This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about risers, specifically these bamboo display risers. And we have 3 sizes of these, the short, medium, and tall. We have the short in black, and you can see it's 20.5 inches long, 7 inches wide, and 3¼ inches deep. The medium we have in black as well, and it's also 20.5 inches long by 7 inches wide and 7 inches deep, giving you some more height than the short one. And then finally we have the tall riser. This one we have in the natural bamboo finish, and it is also 20.5 inches long by 7 inches wide, and this one is a nice 11 inches deep. And as you can see, you can combine the 3 risers to make some nice multi-level displays. And there's actually a lot of different configurations you can do. These are all available in either that natural finish or the black, so you have lots of choices as well between the colors and also the sizes. They're all made from sustainable and durable bamboo for really excellent long-lasting display pieces that are chip-resistant, shatterproof, and are really going to maintain their finish and stand up to long-term heavy use. The neutral color options are perfect for a variety of different setups, and they're useful for a variety of different ways as well. You can see we have them just kind of that traditional, they're standing up, and you've got this nice big flat surface there. But you can also do things like put the opening to the front and really load it up for a nice bountiful display that spills out, and then use that top surface as well. You can use them as little troughs, or you can even put the openings to the back. So you can really combo these pieces, set them up in different ways, use them in combination with each other in multiple sizes and colors to really create some unique and interesting displays that kind of have endless configurations. So there are really just going to be some nice standard neutral pieces that you can really set up in a multitude of different ways to really suit your needs and your different table setups and whatever you're doing. So they're especially great for things like catered events. So these are a great backdrop to really show off your treats, whatever they are. So whether they're sweets, apps, if you're doing things like fruit displays or maybe some cheese and meat and setting up a nice charcuterie display, these are a great way to create those really beautiful, bountiful displays. They're perfect for use in restaurants, bakeries, by caterers at different functions, or even just at home if you're looking for some nice, wonderful neutral pieces to use while entertaining.